Ever dreamed of exploring the world while earning a qualification? Welcome to Gran Canaria, where your TEFL journey begins. Picture yourself crossing the Sahara-like sand dunes on a camel or dune buggy, feeling the thrill of adventure. Hike through lush rainforests that make you feel like you're in Peru, right here on this beautiful island. Dive into the crystal-clear waters and discover over 700 unique marine species, perfect for scuba diving enthusiasts. Feel the rush of windsurfing and surfing at Pozo Izquierdo, home to annual World Championships. Our TEFL training center in Vecindario is modern and well-equipped, ensuring a comfortable learning environment. With air-conditioned classrooms, interactive boards, and free internet, you'll have everything you need to succeed. Teach both small and large groups, gaining valuable experience for all levels and ages. Accommodation options are flexible, with recommendations for rooms and apartments close to the center. Shape your future as a professional teacher and create unforgettable memories on the enchanting island of Gran Canaria.